Alright, my friends, it's time for us to take the last note inside our HTML, and I know that I make it too long for you, but trust me, this is the best way to learn HTML because it is really about the tags, and I want you to really be let's say a professional writing HTML tags, not only use different tags that is not relevant to what you are doing. So later on I'm going to talk about semantic HTML and how you can use the right tag for the right thing that you are doing. So be patient, trust me, and I promise you will understand it. All right, so the last note that we need to read to understand, it is the tag attributes. The tag attribute is essentially extra amount of information that we can assign to a tag, like a unique identifier. This area right here is just an example. Now here is, for example, we have the image tag. Okay, we have some, let's say, for example, let's say I want to specify the image that I want to show, right? So at that case we can use attribute, because attribute, it is the extra information that we can give to a tag. So for example, here I'm trying to add an image to my web page. Using the source attributes, okay, we can tell our image tag which image to show. So make sense? This is relevant to the image tag. We can use the source attribute or the src to tell our image which image to show, right? So these are the extra information that I'm talking about. And when you are dealing with any attribute, then first of all you have to give it the source or the attribute name, in this case source. Then you have type the equal sign, okay, and then between string or between these double quotes you have to give it your value. This is something that you have to really imitate, okay? Don't understand it at that point, okay? Source, or the attribute name, then the equal sign, then between double quotes give it the value. All right, this is very simple when it comes to attributes. So hopefully that you understand it. I know that it is really the theory, but the good news, in the next video we are gonna start writing some HTML code. Okay, so be ready, and we are gonna write everything that we can see up to this point and put it inside the action. So see you in that one.